is still 108 degrees. So tonight I'm going to fill up the rest of my GreenStalk with some soil because I was out of soil, so I had to get some more. And I'm going to be doing that tonight, and I'm going to bring you back later on because my camera's overheating in this 108 degree temperature. And check out my peppers. My peppers are doing so good. And so is that one. Yeah, so everybody's doing good. And I bought me a moisture meter, and this is a game changer because I'm not overwatering my plants. Alright, so I'll be back with you shortly, okay? Alright, this is the next day. By the time I got done last night, it was too dark and I couldn't get a good picture, so I'm out here the next day. I got everything mulched in, and everything's doing really good so far. And over here, I got my peppers with the little cage ready to go. So when it starts ready to climb, it has something to climb on. And there's my other pepper. And then I got all of these filled with new plants. I'm going to go from seeds this time. And so far so good. I got one little seedling growing there, and one down here, and that is my orange bell peppers. And I don't know what this one is. I think this one is, that's a cherry tomato. Okay, cherry tomato, and then this is a pepper. And I got another one peeking out over there. Okay, I'm happy. Everybody's doing good. Alrighty, I am quite happy with the way that my little garden is growing. I was getting a little discouraged there at first when the temperature shot up, and we have been dealing with triple digits, for the last couple of weeks now, and it's not going to get any better for the next 4 weeks. So as you saw from the 10-day forecast, we're in for triple digits for the next 10 days, and then we're into August, and after August it should start cooling off. So I got me some, that's why I felt confident in planting my, sowing my seeds, because by the time they start sprouting, hopefully it'll be a little bit cooler. All right, so I'm going to stop right now. I wanted a BLT today, but I didn't have any bacon, but I did have some pork loin, so I'm going to have me a pork loin sandwich instead. So sit back, watch me cook my sandwich, and you guys have a great rest of the week, and please be safe out there and stay hydrated.